Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out weeding, cleaning, pruning and doing our best. Soil is a bit damp, but it won't be long now before it dries out. Now it's important after all the rain to keep your plants fed, and we're feeding today with flower max. We have a catmint here at this point. We have some daylilies here. We have a hydrangea called bubblegum. Bubblegum is a great hydrangea, a whole range of colours in it. Grows, it's an Annabelle type hydrangea, arborescent style hydrangea. Flowers from end of June until October. Here, semi-asleep, is a lovely geranium called Pink Penny. It's fantastic. I'll try and put a video of that one in flower last year. It's a great geranium, well worth planting. Some hellebores after finishing up now, and some daffodils after finishing up. But they all need feeding to get the most from them, particularly the sort of weather we've been having. The fertiliser we're using for them is a fertiliser called Flower Max, and we're feeding now every 4 to 6 weeks to make the most from our plants. So we're putting a handful around our catmint there, a handful around our daylilies there, fantastic summer and early autumn flowering. Our hydrangea definitely needs a feed there. Our hellebores, building them up for next year again, so they need a couple of handfuls going back down that way. Our peony rose, Callie's memory. Our daffodils, to build them up, now they're making up their minds how many flowers they're going to have next year, so we need them to make up their minds properly. So a couple of handfuls around there. For our new hydrangea that we planted called Ruby Slippers, a couple of handfuls there. So you get the idea, feed every 4 to 6 weeks from now to make the most from the plants. There's a couple of weeds here, we better take those out before they gobble up the feed as well. We have a nice little small nettle there and a creeping buttercup, we'll get those now and remove them. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.